Alrighty guys, you know what this means. We're going on a little adventure. And from what I understand, we're going to be bringing back a good amount of stuff. So stay tuned and wait to see what I have for you. You never know. We'll find something out here. Not only that, but I was confirmed that I was going to get something, so yeah, I got my little red buggy that I got on Thursday out of the trash can. So let's go see what we can get ourselves into. I know where I'm going. I'm getting what I'm getting. So stay tuned. This out. My first load on the wagon, and it did pretty good. 2 fans, and then my ladder, and then the caliper and the rotor I got in the back of the bike. But yeah, I think I might go back over the strapping system I got going on here, because it worked, but it tugged a little bit, and tugging is not good when you're pulling something, because then it tries to whiplash you, and yeah, it's just not fun. So I might call this one an early a little video, not a long video, because I mean, I don't want to bore you. I mean, we got a big oscillating fan there, and we got a little 2-fan window unit. So it's not much, but hey, it's something to add to the collection. So scrappers out there, love you. Talk to you all later. Have a great day, and have a wonderful weekend, because this might be it for the whole weekend. I don't know, I might put another one out. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but this kind of pooped me out, so I'm gonna wrap this up with saying have a great evening, and see you on the next one. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell, and that way you get all my videos when I first post them. Alright, have a good night. Oh. Hey everybody, I've been standing here for a minute talking to myself, and the dog settled down already, but there's Chica's, and here's Teddy's. I know how you dog lovers love to see the dogs, and I'm a dog lover, and I know a couple of you guys that watch me are dog lovers, so here they are. Here's my dash hound, and that's my Pitty Witty. That's my pit. Alright, have a great night. See you in the next one. You guys, this is at about 5 something in the morning. 5:10 roughly. I was bored, so I started turning down the Swiffer, and at first I was like, no, it's not gonna be nothing good, right? And it really isn't. I mean, it's not much of anything here, but that is a copper bearing motor if you want to tear it down. But they had a Phillips head screwdriver right here, and then in this thing they had 2 security bits, and yes, I got some security bits from a friend. They're sitting right there, and this was inside of the this purple thing. It was down in there somewhat like that. And those two screw holes there, it's really dirty and nasty. I'm surprised I even took the time to tear it apart like that. But I said I was a micro scrapper, and I'm not leaving nothing behind that can make some money. So I took those two Phillip head screws out, and then I turned it over and it popped out. And then on the handle, I've still got some focus. Well, anyways, there you go. They look like just some regular Phillips. So I'm gonna be taking those off, and then I just gotta clean up these things and get the wires out of the middle of the aluminum, which, hold on, let me set you up here real quick and see if my correction, or if I'm gonna get corrected on this or not. I think this one just pops off like this. That one should too. Yep. And then this one, oh, it looks like I got a tiny Phillips head. Ooh, my bit's a little dirty. See if this one will get it. If not, I'll find my little one and bring you back. And, of course, but this bit might work. There it is. There we go. That little screw came out. Oh, there's little screws all the way up there. So, hey, calm down. I need my other yellow handle one, but I don't know right off the hand where it is. So, I'll just make this one do its job. I think there's two more. set of these small screwdrivers, because these ones are easily lost, and I can pick them up for pretty cheap, these kind anyways. I went to the Dollar Tree and got these ones actually. I didn't think that taking out a few screws was going to take this long. But y'all were telling everybody on there that you wanted better content and better breakdowns when people do the breakdowns, so here you go. Let's see, what do I got to do for this? Well, I don't want to lose my bridges, so hold on. Let's see if I can use this. Hey, I pulled it out. Oh, there's another screw that I gotta pull out. There we go. There's the end of that one. So here's the wires. There's a couple of probably I don't know, without scratching it. And I don't have a scratcher out here right now, so I don't know. They could be silver contacts, so. And then a little bit of number 1 there. And then the rest of this, other than the screws and the little plastic pieces, I think this piece is aluminum, which it is. And that's a piece of clean aluminum. Yeehaw. So that means that will be 2. So now I just got to get the handle apart and get the switch out of it and pull these plastic pieces and that plastic piece and that piece off, and that'll be another piece of clean aluminum. Same with that little piece that came out at the end. So I'm gonna stop boring you though. I'm gonna wrap this up since it was that easy to explain and show you what was all in a Swiffer little spray wet jet. I hope everybody has a great night. I meant a good morning, because it's morning time to me, for me now. Unless I got out west people, then it's not morning for another 6 hours roughly. So maybe 4. I don't know how. Some are 4 hours behind, some are 3. So alright, I'm going to quit boring you. Alright, see you in the next one. And like, subscribe, and hit that comment section up. Let me know what you think.